Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are gonna see how you can edit this type of picture. So first of all, you have to do one thing, that is import your picture in Lightroom application and then open that picture in editing mode. This is the editing mode where we use to edit our picture. So first of all, go to the light section and you will see here so many subtools of light. Here we have to change these tools, these settings. So what we're gonna do with exposure, if we will increase the exposure, then you can see there is so many light and brightness. It can consider it is brightness. So what we're gonna do, we will increase the exposure, we will also increase the contrast. And what about highlight? We will decrease the highlight and shadow. We will decrease shadow as well. And what about white? We will increase the white. And black, we will decrease the black. Now we will go to the curve section and we will make here a curve, and here we have to make a curve like this. After making this curve, we will click on done button and then we will go to the next tool, that is color tool. And here what we will do, we can increase or decrease the temperature. So what will suit here? So I think we will not change temperature tool, but we can increase the vibrance as well as saturation. We will increase both vibrance and saturation, but we will increase too much vibrance and too less saturation. Now we will go to the mix tool and what we're gonna do with red color. So first of all, let's do some experiment. We will increase the leaf color, that is red color. And what about luminance? If we will increase the luminance, then you can see how it will look. So what we're gonna do, we will increase luminance but not that much. We'll increase only like 5 to 10. It's 6, okay, no problem. And what about hue? If I will increase or decrease the hue, you can see there is some changes of leaf color. So what we're gonna do, we will decrease the hue and it will gonna look like pink color. So that is like our exact color or desired color. Now we will go to the next color, that is skin color. It's orange color. So what we're gonna do, we will decrease the saturation of skin color as well. We will increase the luminance so that face will look like fair. And what about hue? We will also increase the hue so that there will be some yellow tone on face. That is our exact color or desired color. Now we will go to the next color, and this is also so important color in this picture, because if I will decrease this color, all the flowers color is gone down as well as it is also on face color. So we have to change this color so wisely. So what we're gonna do, we will decrease the saturation and we will increase the luminance. And what about hue? We will also increase the hue. If we will increase, then you can see there is only one color in background, and that is green color. That is our desired color. So we will increase the hue as well. Now we can move to our other color, that is green color. So what we're gonna do here, first of all, let's change the hue and see what effect on this picture. So if I will increase the color, like you can see there is some other color in background and that I like most. And what about saturation? If I will increase the saturation, then this type of picture will look. If I will reduce saturation, then we can get this type of color tone. I like this color, by the way. And what about luminance? I will also reduce the luminance. It will look like amazing. It will look like beautiful. Now we can move to our other color, and this color, what we're gonna do, this is like dress color, it's saree's color. So what we're gonna do, first of all, change its hue. If we will change it completely fully, then we will get another color, that is blue color. And if we will change its hue to -100, then it will be green color. But we want blue color, so that we will change it to +100. And what we're gonna do with saturation, we will increase saturation and luminance. We can also we will increase. Now we can go to the other color, and in this color section we won't change anything. And we will go to the next color, and here we will also not change anything. And this is our last color. What we can do here, also we won't change anything. These are the all color settings, and then we will click on done button and we will go to the next tool, and that is this tool. We will add some texture on this picture as well as some clarity as well as some days, and we will decrease some amount of vignette. Now we will go to the next tool, and here we will increase sharpening. not that much, but we will increase, and we will also increase some amount of noise reduction, as well as color noise reduction. And that's it. You can see this is the before of picture and this is the after of picture. And I think this is amazing result. So that's it for now guys. If you like this video then give a thumb up and also share it with your friends.